These go a little bit too long, I think. Oh my goodness. So I've shaved off the roots underneath, and now I'm just going to see if I can tip it out. And this is a mixed lentil sprout thing. I don't know what to call it. It's all mixed lentils. There are green lentils, brown, red, speckled and black. And with 1 cup, I think it was 1 cup. Yeah, pretty sure it was 1 cup. And I just left them on a sieve basically with a plate on top, and I rinsed them twice a day. And I was supposed to make some burgers and crackers with it a couple of days ago. I was a bit too busy, so I thought, I'll just leave them. And so this is now what I'm left with. So let's see what I can do with it. So I've just broken it in half, and I'm going to have masses of sprouts here. And this is the result, a humongous amount of sprouts. So that was just 1 cup of dried lentils, mixed, some green, brown, speckled, red, black, and they've produced an enormous amount. So I'm going to dehydrate them at 128 Fahrenheit just for 3 hours, and then I'll turn down the temperature. Remember that great big mound of lentil sprouts in the shape of a bowl? Well, look what they've turned into. Crunchy crackers. I dehydrated these crackers for approximately 36 hours. After 24, they weren't as crunchy as I wanted, so I just left them in overnight. And the next morning, they were super crunchy. So I have 2 different types here. You can sort of see the colors. These have a little bit of amaranth added and some hemp hearts, and these have curry powder. Neither recipe has sunflower seeds, which is in my regular recipe, and to be honest, I actually prefer the regular recipe, the one that's on the website. Yeah, I do prefer it. It's I think the sunflower seeds take away a little bit of that earthy taste. But definitely, if you can't do seeds, or you just want to avoid them, then yeah, this is definitely an alternative. So these clip-top jars are brilliant for storing the crackers, because they really do keep everything airtight, and so the crackers stay crunchy.